Imran Khan's party says that the money is still in the Supreme Court. We are not involved in any illegal practices. They also say that this is just the government of Pakistan. They also accuse the military establishment of the country of being behind these cases. They call them all politically motivated cases. There are dozens of other cases.
The judge has literally thrown the book at Imran Khan. His supporters, of course, say all of this is politically motivated. Is this a dark day for Pakistan's judicial history? How do you see it?
I would characterize this more as a grey day, not necessarily a black day, because Pakistan is a different country in terms of civil liberties. This case does remind you the history of politically charged cases in Pakistan. Different politicians who've been sentenced by the courts have contested the verdicts irrespective of the legal basis, have contested on the grounds that these were the outcome of backroom manipulation, backroom deals. So I think you have to look at the outcome also within a historical and legal context.
The case against Imran Khan and Bushra Bibi lacks any solid foundation and is bound to collapse. We have also heard from inside jail from Mr. Khan himself, in which he says today's verdict tarnishes the reputation of the judiciary. He also says that his wife has been unfairly targeted and that the sentence was only given to infuriate him. His lawyers have also called it a bogus persecution. Now, this represents perhaps the biggest setback we have seen for him and his party, who last year actually had a pretty good showing in the elections, though the candidates were forced to run as independents.
Imran Khan at that time had accused that the ruling parties now in the government, at the time in the opposition, conspired with the country's military to oust him from the political landscape. His party has faced a huge crackdown from the country's establishment. Hundreds of their workers are in jail. Even the senior leadership is in jail. Despite all of that crackdown, we have to understand that his party, his backed candidates, won the most seats in last year's election. So he remains a popular leader in the country. And that tussle between the military establishment, between the ruling parties and Imran Khan is just not ending.
The timing of this verdict is very crucial at the moment, as we do know that Imran Khan's party leadership is engaged in negotiation with the government at the moment to end the political deadlock in the country, which has been running for months in the country for now. Many political observers and experts believe that today's verdict's announcement could hinder the dialogue process and it could lead to increased political stability.
Well, it has an Imran Khan problem. Whether it's the army, it's deep state, it's government led by Shahbaz Sharif, all have been trying to find a solution to their Imran Khan problem. And they have only one solution: keep him in jail on yet another case. So there's another case of misuse of power in which Imran Khan has been convicted yet again. His legal troubles have been compounding ever since he left office as Prime Minister. He now faces over 150 cases, is already serving 3 jail terms which are running concurrently. But this strategy will not solve Sharif or the army chief's problem. Imran Khan is popular. His popularity is unfazed by his long jail terms. His clarion calls are being answered by his supporters, and he has remained undeterred in his demands regarding an election audit and rollback of the law that made the Supreme Court of Pakistan a puppet of the army. But this new conviction will make matters worse for Shahbaz Sharif. Trump 2.0 begins in less than 3 days. And as of now, the Sharif government has no lines of communication with Team Trump. In fact, there's not even been a phone call. On the contrary, Imran Khan and Donald Trump have some rapport. It's unclear if Trump will wade into Imran Khan's messy incarceration, but what's clear is that the fresh conviction is unlikely to help Shahbaz Sharif break ice with Donald Trump anytime soon.